Greetings one and all, welcome back to my kitchen here today, where I'm going to be making a really simple Thai style beef and mushroom soup. And I'm going to be taking a few shortcuts and cheating with this one, so it's really easy and it's still really delicious, and I guess that's the name of my channel. So yeah, let's do an easy and delicious Thai style beef and mushroom soup. Let's get on with it. Now I've just got about a tablespoon or so of olive oil in there. I'm going to add one sort of reasonably roughly sort of chopped red onion. And I've got one large red capsicum that I just cut into sort of batten sort of length. And I'm just going to give them a gentle little fry till they start to sort of soften up a little bit. Now next here I'm going to add in a couple hundred grams of sliced mushrooms. Now here I've scored really well in the spirit of easy. I'm buying these already sliced mushrooms, but as you can see, I've got them reduced. They're reduced to $1.50. I think they were quite a lot more expensive than that. What a score! Like I say, lazy bones here. I'm just going to throw them in. They still look and smell really fresh, so I don't know why they were only $1.50. Must have been close to going out of date or something. So we'll just quickly give them a little saute as well. Not for too long with them. So I'll start releasing a lot of moisture soon. Alrighty, now it's literally just a minute later. I've just been stirring them. Beautiful smell coming out of there already, just with that onion, peppers, or capsicums as we call them, and mushrooms. Yum. Now again, in the interest of easy today, cheating if you want to call it that, but easy is a better word, I've got here some store-bought red curry paste. Now I do like to make my own paste a lot of the time, but I haven't done a red curry paste recipe yet on my channel, and I will do one. Stay tuned for that at some point, but today's not the day, because like I say, we're going easy and delicious, and we're going to add 4 tablespoons of that paste to that. 2. And again, we'll just stir that up and just let that paste cook out for a minute or two. Speaking of nice smells. Alrighty guys, 2 or 3 minutes later, it's just been frying away nicely. I'm next going to add 750 mils of beef stock. Now again, I've purchased this beef stock. Just try and get a good one. I've got a reasonably good quality one here that they sell here in Australia. It's a bit more expensive, but stay cooked for 3 hours, whatever. But it's worth investing $1 or 2 more for a good one, I think anyway. But if you're on a tight budget, the budget ones always work. I've got the juice of 2 limes. Now I've got here 1 can, which is 400 mils of coconut milk.
कॉफियाँ नहीं चखनी है और दूसरे स्टील दे ले
And the last little thing for now is I've just got some fish sauce here, and I'm just going to add a good couple splashes of that. So maybe, I don't know what that is, probably about 2 teaspoons. We'll just stir that around. We'll get that up to a boil and then down to a simmer, and we're just going to simmer that gently for about 15 minutes. Alrighty guys, so I'm ready to assemble my beef and mushroom Thai soup. Now what I've got over here is some very thinly sliced beef fillet. I used porterhouse beef. And of course, for this slicing the beef really thinly, I am using, as per usual, my Vosteed Morgan chef's knife, and as per usual I'll leave a link to that in the video description. Hope you can check it out, and yeah, especially the prices for these knives, very reasonable. There's a whole range of other sort of knife products on there too you might be interested in. It was about 150 grams, I guess, and I'll get a good few bowls out of that. Yeah, I'm using really good steak because I'm going to be actually just using the broth to cook it. Now if you're a bit leery of that, you can pre-cook your steak and then slice it up, but yeah, why would you with nice bits like that? But like I say, it's up to you. So I'm just going to put a little sort of pile of those and sort of move them around a bit so they're all going to get a bit exposed to that hot broth, which I've only just turned off, but it's still bubbling because obviously we want it sizzling hot when it hits this beef. Now the next thing I want to add to that is I've just got some fresh spring onions, or scallions as my American friends call them. In they go. I've just sort of sliced them up. I've got some fresh coriander. And I've got a few fresh bird's eye chilies. I'm just going to throw them in for a little bit more heat. That's obviously entirely optional. And there you have it. That is our easy and delicious Thai beef and mushroom soup ready to taste. Alrighty, let's give our soup a taste there. I might just try a bit of the broth to start with. Yum-ho. That's really delicious. Really nicely seasoned with that fish sauce and lemon juice. Yum-ho. That's really good. You wouldn't actually know that was a store-bought paste. It's got all some beautiful flavours in it. Let's yeah, try a bit. without beef in it. Just so good, guys. It is absolutely delicious. Yummo. I can't, oh wow. I hope you really hope you give that one a try. You saw how easy it is, and you just got to take my word for it. It is delicious. Yummo. Alright, thanks for watching. Thanks to everyone who has subscribed to my channel, as always. You guys are rock stars. Yeah, just thanks so much. If you're watching this video and you're a newcomer to the channel, or you're watching this video and you're a regular watcher but you haven't subscribed, can I ask that you hit that subscription button? That'd be fantastic. Would help my channel out no end. Doesn't cost you anything. There's nothing happens for you guys. It just helps my channel out, as does giving it a like, or sharing it about, or leaving some comments. Anything like that would be fantastic. Alrighty, I will see you all next time.